How to change staff color on TouchBistro. A quick guide. Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep track of your staff's transactions on TouchBistro? Maybe you've wished there was a way to visually distinguish between different employees? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into the simple process of changing staff colors on TouchBistro. Imagine a bustling restaurant where you can instantly identify who's responsible for each transaction. No more confusion, no more guesswork. With a few clicks, you can customize your TouchBistro system to match your staff's unique personalities or roles. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why changing staff colors can be beneficial. Improved efficiency. Quickly identify staff members and their transactions, streamlining your operations. Enhanced security. Track staff activity and prevent unauthorized access or mistakes. Personalized experience. Create a more visually appealing and user-friendly TouchBistro interface. Step-by-step guide. Now let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change staff colors on TouchBistro. Access staff management. Log in to your TouchBistro system. Navigate to the staff section. Locate the staff member you want to modify. Edit staff details. Click on the staff member's name to open their profile. Look for the color option. Select a color. Click on the color box. Choose a color from the available palette. You can also customize the color by using the RGB or HEX code. Save changes. Once you've selected the desired color, click Save or a similar button. The changes will be applied to the staff member's profile. Additional tips and tricks. Color coding by role. Assign specific colors to different staff roles, e.g., managers, servers, cooks, for better organization. Create custom color palettes. If you have a specific color scheme in mind, you can create custom palettes to match your brand or preferences. Test and adjust. Experiment with different color combinations to find what works best for your team and workflow. Changing staff colors on TouchBistro is a simple yet powerful way to improve your restaurant's efficiency, security, and overall user experience. By following these steps, you can create a visually appealing and organized system that helps your staff work more effectively. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your daily operations. Have any questions or need further assistance? Feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, customizing your TouchBistro system can make a big difference in your restaurant's success.